For this question, we need to ask the user to enter 6 numbers and store them in a list. So because it says store them in a list, we need to create a list. We can call it score, and we set it to an empty list. So it's going to be empty. Because it says ask for 6 numbers, we're not going to create 6 variables. We're going to create a for loop that loops 6 times. Then it says ask the user if they want to see the total of the average of the 6 numbers. Now, firstly, we need to enter the 6 numbers into the array. So we need to ask for the number, and then we need to append that number to the array. So to append it to the array, we use the array name dot append, which means add it to the array called score. And then what we need to add number to that array. So we put in brackets or parentheses number. Now, we need to ask them, would you like to see the average or the total? So we also need to set total to 0 so we can calculate the total. And then we need to use a for loop that loops through the list. So we need to loop through the list, which will go from 0 to the length of score. And we also need to add the total plus score x. So this will add the total to score x. Score x will start from 0. So this should be 0 to length because Python always starts with 0, so it will go from 0 to the length of score. Then we can create an if statement. So if they picked total, we need to just display the total. However, if they picked average, we need to display the average. And the average is calculated by dividing total by 6 because we have 6 numbers and we have the total here. So we add all the numbers together and we divide it by that specific amount of numbers, which is 6. So we divide total by 6. So for any other options, we need to display wrong choice or invalid option.